Okay guys, we're leaving. We're transferring to LA. Vlogging na naman. So hard to vlog.
Hey guy.
Yep.
Bro.
See you until when I see you.
I
think we're gonna meet.
I'll go to one with the ship. Okay, if you need something, just let me know.
Yep. I'm gonna chat you, bro. Punta muna kami dito sa immigration here at Nassau. Nandun siya, natalabas siya. Habulin mo siya. Ito yung sasakyan namin going to airport. Bye-bye Miami, on the way to LA, California. On the way to California, even though emotional because I have my friend of friends, best friend. Say goodbye Marina. See you until we see you. Kakaiba yung sasakyan dito. Nasa kabila yung Manibela. Ayun o. Say hi guys. Yay. So we're now leaving the Conquest. So we are here now in airport. First step you need to do is, what is this? Check-in? Yeah, check-in. What's your name?
Tony.
Tony. Say hi, Tony. So we're going to LA.
What about me?
Oh, this is one of the guy I saw in outside.
So let me see your address into LA.
You know, I went the first class. Yeah, in the first class. Yeah. No, just kidding. You want to be the first class?
No, I'm happy with my business.
Hello guys, what's your name?
My name?
Yeah, your name?
Say.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah?
Pamela.
Pamela.
Yeah.
Pamela is here. Thank you so much, Pamela. Here we go. Then our flight is 2 p.m. at the 2:25.
35 man.
2:35.
25?
Don't worry, I am the owner. B30.
B30. Walk away down and make it.
Okay, thank you so much. Come on, still. I'm done in the immigration here at Nassau, going to LA. Thank you, Lord, it's done. Then going to departure. There's a statue there. I don't know what statue is that. Actually, kasama ko Indonesian boy sa immigration. Yung mga India, ewan ko bakit hindi sila binibigyan or matagal yung proseso nila. Here we go. A lot of store here, so I think I need to eat first. Wait lang natin si Indonesia, ay si India. Actually, ang flight ko is ang flight ko ay 2:35 pa. So eto, kasama ko tong Indonesian boy na to. So what we gonna do? Let's eat first.
What eat?
Because
let's go to the liquor shop and we'll see what's going on there.
Liquor?
Yeah.
I don't want.
I actually don't want. Just check it out, the prices and all.
Okay.
So I'm going back.
Guys, tingin daw siya sa sa mga liquor, duty free, alcohol. Yes, this is the. You have a lot of choices. $16. Milagro. Kakain muna ako dito kasi mamaya pa yung plate namin. Let's go, Manggesh! You want to bring that? You have to pay for tax. Let's go, we're gonna eat. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Cover.
We'll meet again.
Cover the camera. Hello guys.
Hi.
Your friend. You're from Australia. You're from
Brazil.
You're from Philippines. So guys, right now we are here at Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts, yeah.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Because we're so hungry. Yeah.
No more mess foods for a couple nights. Yay!
5 days.
No
Two
more
nights.
Rocky. Alright guys, so nakababa na kami dito sa where now? Houston. Here at Houston. So Houston. This is a connecting flight going to LA. So again and again with this Indian boy. So we need to check the location first, then mag-ikot-ikot na kami dito sa Houston, Texas airport. You know, the biggest for me is the Qatar airline.
Yeah, we have to claim the bag.
Where? So guys, touchdown. Ang lamig na dito. We are totally here at LA. Time check. Baka kung kita nyo ba yan? Basta 7:50. So ngayon, ang bali gagawin namin, i-claim namin yung baggage namin, yung check-in luggage namin. So guys, ito na yung luggage claim namin. Nasa labas yung shuttle.
Check out the
Yeah.
flight.
Oh, guys, lamig na lamig talaga ako. Get my clothes on my bag.
Well, just wear your jacket, man. If you close your body.
It's in my backpack. Inside my backpack. Cool. Guys. One more guys, one more. Inalamig talaga ako.
How you feel, Rolly?
So cold.
Why you wearing jacket, man?
It's so cold, so much. May kulang pa akong isa. Alright guys, here at LA Airport. Officially touchdown na ako dito sa LA. Then, I'm just waiting for my shuttle. Hilton. I'm checking in Hilton. Time check, it's already 7. So guys, officially in na ako dito. So punta ako sa guest services. So guys, we are here at Hilton. Check-in luggage. Everything is paid by Carnival. So no need to worry.
Okay mo sa taas.
Ayan. Thank you po at Shirley. Yes. Thank you po. Ayan. So guys, kakain tayo dito. Actually, ikwento ko sa inyo yung mga nangyari. Actually, may binigay na voucher na $50 yung Carnival sa akin for dining ngayong gabi. So ngayon, may libre ako. I want this Lay's spicy. So, guys, sobrang saya ko ngayon kasi si Ate Shirley is from Adelina. So, napakalapit lang sa amin. Sobrang lapit. And then, guys, tinuturuan niya na ako dito. Guys, ito. Yung $50 na voucher from hotel. Ito, guys. Like this. Yeah. Ito yung dining ko, $50. So, uubusin ko for dining. Eh, 4 na araw ako dito sa Hilton, guys. Tingnan mo yung pizza. Wow! Ako lang solo kakain. Tapos, ito, sandwich. Pag di ko naubos, pwede ko naman daw dalhin sa room. Tapos, water na lang. Sa tubig. Si Ate Shirley. Taga-Adelina siya. Tapos, kilala niya sila Sir Bong. So, kain na muna ako, guys. Dinala ko yung pizza dito sa kwarto ko. Kasi pwede naman. Pwedeng dalhin yung pagkain. Kasi, bayad naman ito. So, may pagkain na ako sa loob ng kabila. Ito, pizza tsaka sandwich. Tapos may tubig naman ako. Smooth everything. No fee, no luggage fee, no hotel fee, pizza is free. Did you see? I bought this. See? They gave this. I have a voucher, $50 per night. Then, I have this. Then, tomorrow morning, I have another voucher again for morning breakfast. So, yeah, everything is smooth, guys. I love it.